Okay, I wanted to show Jamie Bell has this really great, like a lot of people, kind of Bitmoji classroom created. She's got her daily schedule, her Zoom, and then she wanted to include her daily attendance check. So I'm just going to show how she put this into Seesaw. We found out that, there's several ways to do this. So what we're going to do is make a preview link. And I want to start by saying some people have done publish to web, and that works great too. Some people have done save to PDF, and that works great too. I like this one because if you update this, so especially since she has her daily attendance check, if you update this, you will not have to update you won't have to update your link every time you make a change. And the PDF's great too. They just have to get to where they click View Original. So what we're going to do the preview link is we're going to take the word edit and anything after, and we're going to type in the word preview. That means that students are going to see it like this, and all of these links are clickable. So you can see this attendance check is taking us directly to the student's attendance. So all these links are clickable. Now the one thing I will say before moving forward is to make sure this preview link, make sure this is shared as anybody in Northwest can view, or anybody with the link can view. You don't want that to be private because they will just be viewing it in Google Slides. Okay, so once this is done, once again, we're going to make this a preview link and copy. And then from Seesaw, if she has this in just as a post because we don't want students to have to click that they're completed with it or anything like that. So to add that, she went to add, post student work, and then we just put it in as a link. So we're going to go link, paste it in, click the green check, and it is good to go. Now for now, I'm just going to send it to sample student, but you would want to send this to all of your students so it is in their Zoom link and class schedule folder. And then I'm going to click the green check. Putting it in this folder and green check. Sample students are a really great way just to see how this would work whenever you go in as a student. But you can see that the reason why we put it in the folder is there's not a way to pin something to the top of Seesaw. So after student work has been approved, this post is going to get moved to the bottom. So you want to let students know in order to get to their Zoom link, they're just going to learn to click the folder, Zoom link and class schedule, and it will pop up every time. So they're going to click here. They will need to click twice, but what this is doing is just linking them to Google Classroom. And this can take them to the attendance check, to their different Zooms, all the things. I will say, since this is just opening in Google Slides as a preview link, students could bookmark this slide and call it Daily Schedule. And they could skip going to Seesaw from the get-go, and they could just click on Daily Schedule, and it bring them here, and then they can click here to go to Seesaw. So just know that if you want to use that, especially for upper elementary who can bookmark and learn to kind of put the bookmarks where they want them, that would be a good option for them. All right, before ending the video, I'm going to show how Jamie linked to the direct Seesaw activity. Okay, so if she goes to activities, you can see we've got the attendance right here for day 1. She's going to click on the 3 dots and then get student link. She's going to copy that student link, and that is what she pasted here. So when they click, it's going to go to that link. Now remember, this is just the preview link, so she's just going to get used to editing in Slides, and she's going to update this every day. So let's see if we can get out of the preview link here. She actually bookmarked this right here so that when she comes in, she just knows she wants to update this every day. And then she is going to edit the link. And this is going to be that student link for Seesaw. And I would just double check these links. Make sure all your links look good. But her plan is to update that link every day.